As vaccines become available, they will become our first step to protect people who are most at risk from severe illness and from death, and to protect our healthcare system. We know that we will have limited amounts at first, so we won't be able to broadly achieve what we've been calling community immunity or herd immunity right off the bat, but that will come. Our first priority will be to make sure that we're protecting those who are most at risk. We know that is our seniors and elders in our communities, in long-term care homes in particular, and in hospitals here in British Columbia. And once we have more vaccine available, we will be making it available to all of us in BC. And that is when we can get to that point of managing and controlling this pandemic. We expect that we'll have 2 vaccines to start with. The Pfizer vaccine, which is approved for use, I mentioned yesterday, in the UK and is under review right now by Health Canada for what we call a notice of compliance, which is a license for its use here in Canada. And so as soon as that product is available and licensed, we will be ready to immunize people. The second vaccine that is in the pipeline for a notice of compliance in Canada is the Moderna vaccine, and Canada is expecting to receive that as well. And again, we're looking at the first week of January to be ready for that vaccine for both products. But they're likely to be the only ones that we'll have early on in 2021. And we have about 6 million doses across the country of that vaccine that we expect to come through the weeks of January, February, March. So that's not enough for everybody. What we do know, though, there are at least 2 other products that have submitted or are in the process of submitting data to Health Canada and to regulatory agencies around the world, the AstraZeneca vaccine and the Janssen vaccine. So those ones, we hope, will be available and ready in the province sometime around second quarter of 2021, and by the time we get into April of 2021, we're expecting increased numbers of all of the vaccines to be available, and that's when we can start offering it to more people across British Columbia and across Canada.